In this video, I'm going to show you how to link pages in Bluebeam. Now, the first thing you want to have, of course, is more than one page, because if you want to link them, you must have multiple pages. I have two over here just for this tutorial. The first one is the one you're seeing, and the second one is just an empty blank page, but it's going to do the trick for this video. So to actually link pages, you have multiple options. You could go ahead and write some text and then link that, or you could also link anything here on the screen. So let's do something completely random, and I'm going to make it to where whenever you click on this conference 211 over here, whenever you click anywhere on here, it's going to link you to the second page. So all you have to do is go to the Tools tab up top, click on Hyperlink, and then here it's going to say Highlight Text, choose 2 points, or drag to select a rectangle. So I'm just going to select roughly this rectangle over here. There we go. And then it's going to ask me where you want to jump to. You simply want to go ahead and click on Jump to, and then Page over here, you can select the page. I'm going to select Page 2, and I'm going to click on OK. Now, whenever you do that, I'm going to click this Escape button, so this actually goes out. And as you can see, if I kind of hover over this conference 211 now, it's going to give me like a different cursor. When you click on it, it's going to take you to the page 2 or the page you selected. So that's how we can do it. Of course, you can do this on text as well if you just have your text highlighted, or for example, if I wanted to do it on this text over here, I could do that as well with that exact same thing. As it says on here, you can go ahead and highlight it or do whatever you want, and then you can basically link that way. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.